Jingle-my, lick-a-my, suck-a-my cock. It's the first time for you, so here's what you do. Unzip me and strip me and show me you care. Don't go ripping out my pubic hair. Reach for my, grab for my, pull at my cock. Wow.
She's cute. I love cute girls.
Oh!
Some days we hang out with friends, get dinner. Some days we go play crane games. Some days we go ice skating. Some days we go to the game center. Some days I literally wonder if I'm gay, but I'm not. And some days we get out and we get fucking Holy shit!
Hello.
Oh, Casey, don't do that! You scared the shit out of me! Oh!
No. Fuck! Ow! Give me, I'll fucking eat that shit. Yeah.
It's okay, Fred. You still have a lot of time. No, wait, no! Ew, that's so gross!
Oh, thanks for this raid, Fed. Hope you guys are having fun in Las Vegas. I'm holding down the fort here. I definitely did not fap in your bed yet.
I mean, if she was a Pokemon, her sound would just be Alby, 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 Alby. Yeah, she just says it in different ways. Alby, Alby.
No, really, I choose you.
Not true.
That's true. Okay.
It's true. Sorry.
Sorry, Pokemon is speaking.
The Pokemon ran away. Everyone's a little gay. You're just very gay.
When I was pooping, actually, I was thinking about something like...
Things going up your butt?
Yes!
Yeah.
Can I tell you the truth?
I mean, we all know you're gay, so it's okay.
Deaf girl who was mute or something. Oh, sorry.
It's like basic history.
Lost me. Help.
I was gonna say it once. I'm wearing this 100 t-shirt because they sent it to me and it's awesome. I love their merch, but I'm not joining any org. I only just said it would be cool to join this org because this org is awesome. And then someone's like, okay, so you're trying to be pro. And then I said, no, if I were to join something, it's normal for people to just join stuff and not be pro. It's just like a streamer. And then a lot of people are now saying okay, so you're saying you want to join an organization. And it's no. I'm just wearing a shirt and I think it's awesome. That's about it. Alright, okay, cool.
Music?
Sound, yeah.
Background music? Does she say ayaya? Wait, it just said ayaya. Did I just say ayaya, chat?
Alright. Damn, I think she's making some art right there. What you carving, milady? Oh my god. Gotta go.
Yeah, I'll be strong.
Oh my god. Oh! We went to dinner 2 nights ago.
You do.
And the table beside us got a dessert that was an ice cream sundae, and the banana in the sundae was carved out to look like a dick. And then it arrived at the table, and we all watched the girl just take a bite out of the head. Yeah. And that's Vegas for you.
to Tato Army. When you're happy, I'm happy. Thank you. Cup and Mardell too. Thank you for the 2 months. Welcome back to Tato Army. Oh my god! Oh my god, that lead client is so loud. My ears! Nice, Swoofy. Swoofy, you had a SpongeBob moment. Swoofy said, my eyes, even though it was my ears. And that just reminds me of that one SpongeBob episode scene where it was dark. And he, oh wait. Yeah, it was dark. And he couldn't see, but instead he said, oh my god, I'm deaf. Or I forget what it was. Was it that one? I forget. It was so funny. Oh wait, it was the movie? Oh, I thought that was like an episode. I mixed it up. You too, Zaku. I hope you have a lovely day. Thanks for stopping by. Why you gotta highlight it? What? That's what happened.
You suck on these balls? Or you just suck them? They're not even gonna digest or disintegrate. What? You gotta chew them. Wait, you really just suck them? No way. Oh, I gotta poop again. You're sucking balls right now. Wait, you guys... Wait, serious question. When you guys have boba, do you chew the balls or suck them? Like I said, suck on them. How do you... Does it...
I don't know why my head feels like food today.
It's because, when I have a headache and I drink coffee,
It makes it worse.
yeah.
No, it should make it better.
Oh,
Because
it's just
sometimes you
my...
have a headache from not.
Really? I feel like the headache's from drinking coffee, for sure.
Wait, are you back at the same school?
Yeah.
You going? Or are you going masters in Japan?
I could do a year or a semester abroad, but I'll probably end up graduating late if I do that.
I mean, I graduated late and I turned out fine. What is that face? What the hell is that face? Congrats.
Thanks.
If this lands, Lily and Albert are gonna break up.
If it lands on ours, on black. Oh dear God. It landed on 32 black.
Lazy Watermelon, I'll check out the link later. I'm just scared because if I play a YouTube video, my PC might just explode. Like, I'm touching my PC. It is hotter than the streamer X Choco Bars. Hot. It's hot.
Mobile, like the Jack mobile.
Oh.
So I'll send it to my friend. That's what I always do.
Whoa, what is this?
Oh, finalists for like it's like a Miss Universe, but it's for Miss High School students.
Oh, okay, all right.
I just want to see you like Max. Okay, wait. It's time to tell chat. It's time. So,
There's a lot of pressure here.
I had a realization this weekend that when Yvonne laughs really hard and like closes her eyes and opens her mouth, she looks like the XD face. Like identical to it. It's incredible.
But every time...
Chat, say something funny. Say something funny.
I
Say something funny.
I have to read something funny.
All they're saying is like something
I
funny,
know.
Cap. Fed is smart. Fed is smart. See?
What the fuck?
So good.
That is smart.
Guys, don't get us in trouble. What the hell is this, Christmas song? Oh, Christmas music.
Stroke-a-my, lick-a-my, suck-a-my cock. It's the first time for you, so here's what you do. Unzip me and strip me and show me you care. Don't go ripping out my pubic hair. Reach for my, grab for my, pull at my cock. You can do it with ease. Just
Have a nice little breakfast here.